I think it was also good, JD, that you said earlier that the person is not trying to make you to another version of them. It's amazing if I have a mentor who has a foresight to kind of see like what you have as natural traits, right? What you bring to the table already, right? Those are resources. Those are skills that you can leverage, not try to turn into something that's new. And it also has a patience to say to you in so many ways, so many words, if you fail along the way, it's no big deal. You know, your performance doesn't affect me at all. You have a space to do and grow as any way you want to. Then it kind of alleviates the pressure on one side at least for you to be vulnerable and for you to make those mistakes openly and say, I think I just fucked that up, you know? It's like, no, it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's no big deal, you know? And mistakes are a huge part of learning. Someone could kind of like lighten the load for you and say, make as many mistakes as you want to. It's going to make your journey and growing a whole lot faster.
Exactly.